Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can unswipe on Yubo. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just let's say I'm gonna left swipe this person. So you'll be having this option over here, this option. Just press over here and wait a while. Just back from here. Now you'll be having option which says reverse swipe. So just go with the down one, or if you want unlimited one, you can go with the unlimited pack. So I'm gonna go with reverse swipe. And now this is how you can unswipe on Yubo. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.